Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to.
What up, guys? This your girl Elijah Dilla Gang Squad. What's up? What's up, y'all? What y'all been up to? You miss me? I missed y'all. Anyway, y'all, I'm back again. I'm better. And yeah, I'm back again with another video. Now, y'all, I know I say this every time I come on here after I haven't posted in freaking months, weeks, years, centuries, I don't know. Yes, your girl been busy. I do have a life outside of YouTube. You know, I've been trying to get stuff done and all that crap. But I am back. You know, I've done everything I needed to do. And remember when I told y'all that I was going to be moving? Well, your girl moved. She moved and she upgraded and she's better. Anyway, y'all, if you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see from me next. And I will try my best to deliver. Alright, y'all, so let's get this video started. Now, I don't have anybody to film it for me, so it's just going to be me. But I'm going to do my best. Just bear with me. Alright, y'all, so, this is technically like a mobile home, so I'm not sure if this is considered an apartment or what. Alright, y'all, we have the windows. If you're gonna come in, come in. Go in the room. Go in the room. My room. Alright, y'all, this is the living room area. That's the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. This is what the living room looking like. Now, as you can tell, we still have some things in boxes. We still have some things in bags. But fear no more. We're going to get everything settled. And once we do, we're going to have a couch. I don't know, really. Maybe we'll have a couch like, we'll have one right here. And one on this wall. Or maybe we'll just get like a wraparound. I'm not really sure yet. And then I'll definitely want to get bar stools right here because I feel like it would make it more better, you know, make it more classy, you know. Alright, so when you walk in, this is the front door right here. And when you walk in, you're going to go left. Now, left is the master bedroom. This is my grandfather's room. I'm not going to show you guys the bathroom or closet, you know. I don't want to, you know, put his business out there. But this is definitely what the master bedroom looking like. Oh, and let me not forget that his bedroom has a ceiling fan as well. Same as the living room, if I hadn't showed you guys already. Ceiling fan. Okay. Now we're moving to the dining room area. You guys already know what this table. Excuse the mess, y'all. We still figuring things out in here. That's my grandpa. Alright, guys. Now, what we did not have at our old place were these pantries. Y'all see all this room that we have now for food? We did not have this before. We barely had room for anything, yet alone food. So I definitely like this. This is a plus. And another thing I like is the refrigerator, the black refrigerator, and the black stove. I also like that more than anything. Your girl likes to eat, okay? I'm fat. Alright. Now, this is like the sad part because our refrigerator looks empty. We have no food. We need to go grocery shopping, so yeah. Don't judge me. But this is what it's looking like. Alright. Now we have cabinet right here. There's nothing under there but some pots and pans. I'm not going to show that. But yeah, it's just pots and pans and stuff. We have our silverware. Microwave. And we have our plates and bowls and stuff, and some cups. This stove is definitely the best part for me. Just look how it looks. I like this. We have our toaster, you know, some more jars, dishwasher that I probably won't even use, but I don't know, maybe. Now, guys, this is the best part. I just love the sink. Look at it. I love it. Ignore the dishes. Can't even talk. Alright, y'all. This was imported from France. This ish cost $20,000. You know, we on that fancy crap right now. You know? You feel me? That's like my favorite part so far. Besides the stove and the extra space. Alright, guys. We are now leaving the kitchen area. And we are heading towards the back. Alright, guys. So right here we have more boxes that we need to unbox. Right here we have the front door. This is actually the back door that leads to the patio. Well, the porch. God, it's cold in here. Alright, so initially when we moved in, we thought that it came with a washer and dryer, but it don't. So we'll have to get one. This is what the space looks like. Of course, you guys know I'm going to keep you updated. When we do get one, I will show you what it looks like. I'm going to save this room for last. Now, walking in here, this is the bathroom. If you guys hear that noise, it's the air. This is what the bathroom looks like. I'm trying to stay out the scene, y'all. I look so toe up, it's not even funny. Alright. Sorry it's dark in here, y'all. We have no light. I don't even know why there's like a light switch if there's no light in here, but let me open this window. This is what the third bedroom is looking like. Now, this room was supposed to be my son's room. But you know, he doesn't like to sleep by himself. He either sleeps with me or my grandfather. So, we have some guests staying with us. So this is what, you know, is in their room or whatever. I'm just going to show you the room. I'm not going to show you the closet. That's their privacy. Stop yelling. Hush. Now what we're doing is walking into my room. Now, excuse the mess, y'all. It looks a little horrible. Sorry, y'all. The video just cut off for whatever reason. But yeah, this is my room. Now, this room is definitely, like, I can't stress this enough. This room is definitely smaller than my last one. But that's okay. I can work with the space. I don't have that much stuff anywhere, you know. This is the closet. Alright, guys. Now, I told you guys before that I was trying to make this into like a vanity. I wanted to be different. I didn't want to be like everybody else. So I was trying to like create my own thing, my own style, you know. And I'm going to show you guys what I have in my drawers. Now, remember I told you guys I was going to be doing the Bath and Body Works. I can't even talk, y'all. Remember when I told you guys I was going to be doing really? Alright, y'all. Remember when I told you I was going to be doing the Bath and Body Works body spray collection? Well, for the last few months, I haven't been collecting like I said I would. So, you know, I kind of fell off a little bit, but now I'm back on my game. Now, before I moved, I ordered some new stuff. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. Now, I will be doing a video on the body spray, and I will be adding it to my collection list. So, you know, just watch out for that. Like I said, I did get some new things. And I have not tried them out yet. I still haven't used the other ones that I got either. So yeah, if you guys want a video on that, just let me know and watch out for that. Also, loves, I'm gonna be doing a sunglass collection too. I mean, sunglasses collection as well. These are a pair that I had got that I just absolutely love. The girl like big things, okay? Hence the big sunglasses. And then I also have these. So I'll be doing a video on these as well and where I got them from, so don't worry. Here I just have a bunch of headscarves and hats and stuff, you know, to throw on when I'm not doing anything, or, you know, when I want to go out but my hair isn't done, I just throw these on. And here is, I know y'all wondering, why do you have so many baby lotions? Y'all, I love baby lotion. This one is not even empty yet. This one is full. I just got it. Y'all know what I just realized? This bottle is bigger than that one. Just realized that. And then this one is empty. Do not ask me why I still have it. I don't know. You know. And then, you know, I have the essential toothpaste, deodorant, some cough drops, some Nair, douches. I'm not afraid to show y'all. Yes, I have douches. You know, you got to keep your private area smelling good, ladies. Especially because it's the summertime and it get hot. Yes. Keep your girl clean, okay? And then over here, I have, you know, brushes, headbands, and gel, you know, stuff for your hair. None much, none major. And here I have some towels because, like I said, we had a linen closet at our old place, so, you know, I had room to store towels and stuff like that. But now I don't have it, so I gotta make what I can work. Well, make what I have work. And here I have speakers, chargers, you know, just electronics and stuff. Why is this comb in here? This don't belong in here. But yeah, just the basics, y'all. It's nothing fancy, none too much, you know, just something light. And then I have my wig right there. I need another one because that one is getting a little too crusty. But yeah, y'all, so watch out for the body spray video and the sunglass video. I'll make sure to have everything down below. Y'all, I'll make sure to have the prices and stuff that I paid for, where it came from, and, you know, stuff like that. Alright, guys, looks like this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the description box down below what you guys would like to see from me next. And I will most definitely try my best to get that out for you, you know. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. That's in the description box below as well. And yeah, I love you guys. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Dilla Squad.
Good job.
I'ma fuck up my life. I'ma fuck up my life.